If you're having problems connecting to the Victron Connect app on a Mac, here's a super easy fix. I have 3 Victron devices in my solar energy system, a BMV 712 smart battery monitor, and 2 smart solar chargers. Now, ordinarily, they connected to the Victron Connect app using Bluetooth. I've been using the Victron Connect app for the last few years with no problems, both on my iPhone and on the Mac. Well, one day last year, I noticed that the app was not showing any of my Victron devices on the Mac.
The devices would normally show up on this device list page. Now, the color control that you do see there is showing up on the internet through the router. The battery monitor and the 2 solar chargers ordinarily show up by using Bluetooth right here.
Strangely, the devices still show up on the iPhone, which tells me that the Bluetooth on the devices is still working fine. So the first thing I did was check under the Apple system preferences and then check the Bluetooth settings. Move that out of the way. There we go. So our Bluetooth, and yeah, all the devices are actually showing up here. Everything looks okay.
And you don't actually want to connect your devices by Bluetooth here in the preferences. You only want to connect through the Victron Connect app. So at this point, I'm still wondering why I can't connect through the Victron Connect app.
At a later date, I was installing some other software and figured out what the problem is. It actually is under the security and privacy settings. So we'll go over to security and privacy and make sure you're on the last tab, the privacy tab. Then we scroll down this list until we find Bluetooth and select that. Now you have to unlock the lock down here at the bottom. Use your password or your Touch ID. And it's as simple as coming up here now and we select the Victron Connect app. Just check it. And then select the lock again and lock it. And that's all there is to it. Then there they are. All the devices showed up just like they should. And Victron updates their apps constantly. And one of the neat things they just added recently was the fact that you can now, right from this page, before you even click on the individual items, you can actually get a lot of information, volts, amps, and so forth on each one of the devices. Pretty cool.
Okay, so before we end this video, I'm going to go over 2 other things that can cause a problem. The first one, as we looked at earlier, don't be connected to Bluetooth through your operating system. So under your system preferences, if you're connected to Bluetooth, the app cannot also connect to Bluetooth. And secondly, only one phone or computer can be connected by Bluetooth at one time. So anyway, that's it for this video. Hopefully that'll help somebody solve a problem, and I'll see you in the next video.